nyenda kutwara umugisho gusima banterira karuru kandi kubasimira kimwe munonga abanterira karuru bamwe bakakaterera mu mbere yabire tarunungi nka bayonzera bakatera nyenda kubasima munonga bebare kandi nyenda kubasima abo kurukiriza n'abagambire ubutarwana ubutayombana muntu ubutangana ikintu cyo bakakigendera mwe nyenda kukibasimira icyo abantu abanje nabagira ngo abari baju batabakoza batera karuru zo bari gutera karuru akabaho ibintu byinshi munonga gutandukana izo batukuza ya bintu rubura yo mutikuza kutera karuru zeno tafira katandika gukora sente yagura abantu yagura buri umwe yatandika kuzumburuka nunca twaguma mu karuru saizo ari yo kutera karuru ba agents banja bingi yabagura mu kasheshe ngatwakimanya mutu abahindura so ko mukatera akakoresa abana bishoma icyabiye evident mubangizi abenje bakakireba kasheshe rusikendure kirembe arhiri ndishomero y'umushana mu itandi yabashikara katenga even narinda SS ahamwe bakandi bateza coupons abana bishomero bakabazaho amha couponi azo mulayini akirgo mulayini azayishomero za kwakira sente zezwa murakanisa so ebyari juro mu karuru generally tinda byikirizemo kandi tunasayininga karura izo bero yenyini isi y'amashomero futera karuru kagero izingana electoral commission ya district actually 1 week to the election manjangu baje taking action even on the eve of the election I raised that same matter babura taking action the day of to ateri izo bero yenyini nagambira chairman amunyanti banjis they are going to vote so they voted as was seen in the saturating videos batera na instructing my lawyers kuandika a formal complaint petition to the district movement chairman na registrar, which they received, but they never bothered to do anything. They went on, they tallied the results, and they announced.
So karurako watracing back mu campaigns nko kumwabire no mugenda tutakishire ahizo bari yo katera nimwe mukamara satisfied na nemiringo yi campaigns za bire zitamburamu tutakishira izo bari yenyine ryo katera na ibi ya transparent ngira izo bari yo katera imwe mukababebetse imbere hante bejo mukamara okay na ibyabire mbigendo misho mu campaigns
twagire kutandika campaigns zikatiye bo kugendera ari joint campaigns General Tafire yazanga started doing his own campaigns can to touch an alternative. Each one had to take
their ways,
his different ways, and we agreed. Each one did his. We never experienced any violence. They were so isolated. Because ours, who were the majority, were generally peaceful. So method is Karuru, we never followed what was prescribed, but we agreed, and I never had anything. That is a problem. My problem was
on the voting day,
and the voting process, and the gross irregularities. Akana campaigning and is over because you would get vehicles with sound moving, looking for votes. You would get his boys, but around the polling stations, back influencing. People were outrightly giving money in broad daylight, buying voters. Abantu abahangizi banje bakandi bakurura murayini iwo tukwire sente z'itinchuro bamukuru event worushangariya abuseraho ino bagire mitwara atanu akanga kamutera babintu baza kutera kukarwa gataka yabara ya CR kinana na mushanga and they were around 150 baba violent akukaho kandi bakaweze kubara rayine so there were a lot of irregularities.
So kutwika aho voting day na process yona yabireho incidents ezo kugira ngo no relying aho kugira ngo akaruraka uyireho eze z'amashomero harimo ebindi incidents zabiremo zo kugira ngo age na neji na backup zanje zo kugira ngo nani petitioninga age na backup yanje na neji
tinkuja kusteka media because that is my evidence. That's what we are compiling. So I won't give him that what I have, but we have it. We have 20 videos of people receiving money. We have them. So that's our evidence, which we will keep to ourselves until when it reaches.
So oyine trust terkwingana chi omu electoral commission ya NRM kugira ngo tindagambe kururinga in your favor kwaka kugira ngo neja kureba justice omu petition yawe.
I really trust the NRM system, and I believe they will accord us a fair hearing. I can't preempt decision yawe bakwija kutekinga, but certainly as an NRM member, I trust that the electoral commission, the movement electoral commission, will give us a fair hearing, and that is what we are waiting for, and that is why we have petitioned. Because if we didn't trust the system, then I would say I'm not petitioning. But as a law-abiding citizen, as a lawyer, I believe in a fair process, and I really trust that the NRM electoral commission, when the tribunal sits, it will come out with a fair judgment. If it is for Tafire, they think that is it, then we will see. But we cannot preempt, but we trust the system.
Omu karuraka no kuronda kukaronda no kikakatera ni kintu cece wakubire no tekatekoti eki kibina kurone kitihindurira mutuka kikakora kiti tukabire ntuteza akaruru ninga tuterwa akaruru kusinje kutandikira mu process yo kuronda joint campaigns kwika process yo kukatera okutsimba enyero mugongo gwa candidates na agents babo omuriyebyo iwe nogira ngo hashimire kuba ntagire cyahinduramo kugira ngo abantu kwere ya naronda karuru buri yomaro asherure okwe.
Personally, my personal view, joint campaigns, our nature of politics, joint campaigns might not be applicable, because ato muntu kweno za campaigninga undija kakuletera abayayi bakatandika kuterera hariya disco kuyombera. Now how do you have joint campaigns? So joint campaigns, to me, I don't think is applicable. But again, ntakwitirizamu hariho gross violations ezo kureba mu these are violating the guidelines. It wouldn't, you look at the children, they are those who are underage. Now, a child, you know, shomesa abana bato, which system are we building? Hasn't building a chiwari of a minister, yakwata abana bato, abariyonu bakura, ukabatwara futera kamu, kandi in an irregular manner, that they are registered, no, kunkuka ukabateko murayi. What society are you building? Don't know building, don't know it is abana ukwiba right from childhood.
nkaka muheru tukwirira okwendera ruling ninga judgment kwe kurugayo ikagumizamu ehire victory we Kahindo Tafire iwe oine ekiteekateeko ky'okugira ngu running nka independent ninga abiding n'ebya NRM kugira ngu kwere mwasharamu ngu general atware entebe then tumusekendinga agumizemu na nabwa general.
No, I will make that decision when that time comes. I will make that decision because I've told you I trust the system. Now, if I say that if they don't rule in my favor, I will do this, then that means I've already made my judgment, which I think is not fair. I will just wait as an abiding citizen, as a true cadre of NRM, because I must first read their judgment and see the reasons they are giving me as to why they have
won or lost.
They might give me things that really show that yes, the victory was vivid and they give their reasons and I see and they... So I cannot preempt what they are going to do. Okay. I will wait for that time, then I will make an informed position.
Tutwire nturaho ingamba zitukushaba ngo bundotereze ngo harmu abembezi abakuriyo mu nkokora bakwajika ngo
I know that's unfortunate. You see, the biggest problem I've seen with General Tafire, she thinks any person who challenges him has another person behind him. But that's not true. They are alleging so many things. First it was Janet, I've never seen Janet. Next it was Kineruka, I've never seen Kineruka. Next it was Honorable Tom. I have not had even a single discussion with Honorable Tayeb. No, I've never. So those are just hearsays, misinformation, which is not founded. I started this campaign. Who is that person who can support you for 4 years? I have been in this thing for 4 years. Now, ubakubona agira ngo gwa yona supportinga apire miliyoni 10 sana kuba muretera bishatu sana ba generating list omunosi bamuhe miliyoni zingayi. All that is not true.
Narone ndije nsonga ngo akaba a general wa hat MP wishenjere wishazeri wakaba takarahire ukano utandikire kuronda karu ngo ukamureba ngo aremerwe atakarahire no kurahire inshreje
n'inkejo n'ishonga
iriyo negendo
atiko abo kuzakora amaga no tandikira izobo tuninza ndamugongo no shikayo
arukwenda kwikayira izo
kunkabo kubona mama pilgrim nana habure yuko izagera
atandikora
ati iwe woyine boda uri kuzishaka twikirizaga na kushanganisha kanca karesha 3 nyuntine boda uri kuzafuta muzegere
nindarangenzereza
wowe kigere ni simbura shazi 10 cyandika kutambura nsibari impuka isako mutawuni yo wa boda ujara
usimburo wawe
nyo kutandika kare katandika ku kwenda ngumanya abantu bamanya bari capability yanjye bari capacity yanjye and which they did, because one reason why Tafire had an edge over people was because he was known from different places. So challenges that would come bakaba takumanya
abantu batakubamanya
but now and he will tell you that there was a formidable challenge. I challenged him. So ejo matejo ise yo kugira ngo katandika kare nkamanya ntebe kuza kumurema yo tina inamuzibire gukora tinda muzibire ntotakora iki tinda Tafire injere na mirimo ye mi nkani nkora byanje biri independent underground. So I don't see the mistake. That was my strategy. That was my strategy. I look ahead.
twineho endije enshonga eyinkuteekateeka ngu niyo nk'eyahamwera omu kibuuzo kitukuza kubuuza eri izooba enshonga y'enkwatanisa ahagati yawe na opponents abandi ninga candidates abandi abameire mwetsimbire nabo aha ntebe ejo kucyakubaho bakarurivasinga wini ya Major General ubundi bakagikwasa oine enteekateeka yo kugira ngo mugume muri cadres ba NRM n'abambe mwesimbire nabo batasingire kugira ngo mu building foundation ya NRM area ground manifesto yawe ne yana nkondi jo bayesimbire zanze basagitana murebe ekimwakubasa gukora kikongera kuhamya umusingi gwa NRM mu constituency na district
nene nkunda teamwork and even now nyine nshonga na anybody because we are all NRM leave alone ngo bakamixinga mu bintu bintu nzakushaka kashanga RDCs ni bakampini nziro mu ntoko on the voting day all RDCs from different places were all powered but that were not withstanding I have trust in NRM and I believe in its ideology of working together to promote the party after campaigns no man campaigns zimwe bintu bingi harimo kujumira naha but I will tell you zero mu campaigns zanje nazeza kino umuntu wunjumira bo banjumira bingi kandi kino umuntu wunjumira and I trust we should work as a team
ubutumwa bwa muheru aha marebe no kuturikiriza urukwetegura kufiringa petition yawe ubutumwa bwa muheru na general ubundi twatungana kire ko kusima abantu
kandi nyenda kuhabura abakwaba in the current state that we are in nako think it is ngo katsinga bikirize batwazeje borobe batakajumira na even now barike kuharasinga opponents nyenda ukuhamya abaronzi ngo nza kufayiringa petition eji kandi bo bandikira mu fayiringa abo bantu abo kureba habona tinye nkarwezo bo bazira ngo no ecabireho tushemiye kutayo complaint yitu ukayitwa barye nyuma yawe tushemiye kutayo twebe imbere tutayo complaint kandi complaint ninza kuzitayo so ninza kubanza nkume turarye kutayo complaint eji baje kurikiriza petition yitu bakora decision inzagarukanije zo mbaronzi banje ngarike babuze next cyakora ngo tugire iki mukurasa cyanje nkarwejo n'ecyabantu abo bokureba tumazire representing abantu bingi so ejo niyo decision y'inkwenda ku reforming batera karuru batakayera rikera ekindi heyo cona ninja kucubagambira then ntuyihamu ekiturakora
yabara munonga umurebi kandi ntwebaza munonga ukuturikiriza twatukurura amaraka agaho kitinsa Captain Kenneth Ruhweju ogwabira yatsimbire aha ntebe tikuna gamba yasimbrarna no yasimbrante abira yatsimbire aha ntebe eyo kwate bendera ahabwishaza area Ruhinda abinji bakariyeta Ruhinda Central konkano Ruhinda County tabazize kwikirizana n'ebirugire omukarura karigire kuterwa karukusingwa Major General Kindo Tafire so yatushoborera ku a petition ingere ariyo na filing a petition ye kandi yarukwije kubana isi yo mu kibine cya NRM akaciko k'eby'ubururu kabase kugicencura no kugirebamo rero ebirarjemo kubaraize kubirangerera na warangerere icyarukwije kubana kurasa